Hello and welcome. My name is Greg Speech, but everybody calls me Bear. As the holiday season approaches, many of us find ourselves overwhelmed with the extra costs and the pressure to make this Christmas special. Gifts, the travel, the unexpected expenses, they all add up, leaving us feeling stressed and financially drained. Maybe you're a parent, single or married, juggling the responsibilities of a family, or a single person just trying to keep up with everything. Or perhaps you're a senior or a grandparent trying to make the holidays magical for the younger ones. No matter your situation, it's all too easy to feel the weight of the holiday season, especially when it comes to finances. But what if this Christmas could be the last one where you feel that stress? What if you could make next year different, not just for the holidays, but for your life in general? Imagine waking up next year knowing you've taken control of your financial future. What if you could work from home just a couple hours a day and earn the extra money you need without the worry and without the sacrifice? It's possible, and I'm here to show you how. You don't need to be an expert, you don't need any fancy tech skills, and you don't even need prior experience. All you need is a willingness to learn and follow a simple step-by-step plan. What's more, you don't have to do it all now. Even if you're caught up in holiday plans, this opportunity is something you can start now or after the new year at your own pace. I'm talking about an affordable e-learning course designed to help you set yourself free. It's been proven to work for people just like you and me, whether you're young, old, a parent, grandparent, or someone just simply looking for more financial freedom. Learn how you can make daily 100% commissions of $100, $300, $600, and $900. All you have to do is take 15 minutes of your time to watch a free, no-obligation video. You'll learn exactly how it works, and from there, you can decide if it's right for you. Of course, I know this isn't for every single person that watches the video, but so many are doing so well with this, it's definitely worth checking out. So why not make this Christmas the last one where you dread the financial stress? Take the first step towards a brighter future. Watch the 15-minute video today, and let's make next Christmas a celebration of freedom, not financial fear. The holidays are about creating memories, not stressing over expenses. Let's make that happen together. Just write more info in the comments below, and I'll send you the link to that 15-minute video. Thank you, and I wish you all a safe and happy holiday. I really believe in what I'm doing here and would like to share with as many people as possible. Thanks again.